Enggak, tak itu. Yang ini sebelumnya. If you could change one thing about yourself, what would you change?
Change. How about you first?
I would like to change my routine.
Ma?
My routine, daily routine.
Mm.
Not my routine, actually my pray. My 5 praise, my sholat 5 waktunya. I have to be more, I have to be better, like not to be late, like that. Because sometimes I pray late. It's maybe about myself, and also what else, yeah? I want to change maybe my economy.
Oh my god.
I want to be rich,
I mean,
but also useful for people. For example, yeah, I have passion. I want to be passionate also, not only rich. Rich is for living costs, but passion is for my happiness. So rich just for living costs, just for make my children education better, for example,
yeah.
or maybe I can get higher education from if I have money. But for happiness is not being rich, but is being useful for other people. It's my dream lah, ya, like that. And or my purpose in life, ya, my purpose in life is to be useful
For everyone.
for people. My knowledge, for example, my experience, my perspective, everything. What I can do for people, I will do it, and it make me happy. But being rich is just for living cost, living better, better education, better experience also. But I don't want to lose my way to Allah, of course.
Of course.
And how about you? Kok jadi aku yang curhat?
Gak apa-apa. Karena aku masih bidang.
Yeah.
Maybe I just talk. Yeah. Like if I can change one thing, or maybe one thing in my life, I want to change the way my parents think
About
me, about
you?
life, about everything. Like I want to change. Like I still want them to be my parents, but with a different mindset, like that.
So, what does your parents have for their mindset?
Maybe more protective or controlling, like that. Maybe I want them to be like other parents, like other normal parents lah. Because it was tired. Like I have to menaati itu apa? Obey everything they say, and I cannot complain, and I cannot say what I want. I mean, like if I want something, but they feel like it doesn't feel important. They not they want to they want to support me gitu. So that's why I want to.
So you have different mindset with your parents.
Yeah, I want the normal parents actually.
And you don't want to be the mother like that when you are a mom and you are
Of
a mom
course.
in the future.
And I don't want to have a husband like my dad, like that. Simple, but hard. Ya gitu aja sih Mbak. If one thing I can change in my life, because if my parents change, it will change everything in my life. I mean, like I will be maybe I will be have a freedom and I have more.
But if you have freedom, can you make sure that you will be better person?
I can. I can be the better person, like because I feel guilty
With
with myself if I make a mistake, I make a distance with Allah, I feel guilty.
harus dikuasa.
Apa
Sininya.
diskusi? Oh, di keroi.
Tapi pakai kuasa. Soalnya itu benar-benar menghangatkan, terus enak di sininya nanti jadi kayak empat sih. Tapi kan fasenya nanti terus bisa hangat. Itu kenapa kita bersih, karena dalam diri kita dingin.
Aku nggak pernah di keroi, Mbak.
Nanti merah-merah ya.
Nggak pernah yang merah-merah, cuman nggak pernah. Dari dulu nggak pernah.
Terus
Ya.
how to make yourself recovery with your flu?
Medicine. Apa?
Medicine.
And
Medicine can make you recover.
actually, yeah, just depend. Like just medicine and what ya? Istirahat. Kok istirahat? Take a nap. Just like that. Yeah, I feel so sick right now, but like pindang and then hard to focus.
And then how do you do your job, do your work if you have
Sickness.
flu like that?
I just doing my normal activities, but with this condition. Actually, it's not really ngaruh apa?
Effect.
Effect much to me. Maybe just the flu like that. But in work, it's not really effect. When I go, yeah. Istirahat itu apa?
Take a rest, break time.
That time I fall asleep like in a
Room.
room and with an open door and many employee can see me sleep. I'm so shy. Like when I scroll sosmed with my phone, aku gini mbak, bener-bener gini-gini terus until my friend asked me to
But do you
call.
have your own room in your office?
No, but some buildings have many rooms that make people can rest. So I rest in there, and
The room is like a house, yeah?
yeah, like just a room, a small room like that,
Like this room. Like this room.
more smaller,
Smaller
just,
room.
like just for rest like that.
If you could stop a bad habit that you have, what habit would you stop? Me first, wake up late.
Apa?
Wake up late. My bad habit is wake up late. Since I wasn't teaching anymore, kan? Because if I teach, I have to wake up early. Because I don't have to teach in the morning. I mean teaching at school. So I wake up late. So I want to stop that
Emang
habit.
late-nya berapa?
So late.
How?
Maybe I wake up at 7.
7? It's not late.
It's late. 7, 8. It's late because I have to. If I was teaching, I have to wake up at 6, at 5, like that. But I wake up late.
But you teach like in evening.
I mean teaching school.
Oh.
When I was teaching at school.
I mean right
Before
now.
I resigned, yeah. Because now I don't have any class at school, so I wake up late. I want to stop that habit. I want to be a good wife, like wake up early and cooking food, or cooking meal, cooking breakfast for husband, something like that. But
Being a good wife, not always to wake up early.
yeah.
It depends on our husband.
Like
if our husband like accept everything, and I mean like accept the kekurangan tuh apa?
weakness. Weakness.
Ini kelemahan gak sih? Ya sama aja ya. Weakness and helping each other, it can be more apa ya, more meanable, apa sih, like more apa, bermanfaat tuh, useful for our husband. I mean like not always to wake up early, but we can maybe we can wake up late, but then we doing the wife work. I mean like
Housework.
I mean like cleaning house.
Yeah,
And
it's
not in the morning. Not always in the morning.
yeah.
Maybe in the morning it's like breakfast.
But if you have a husband, like who work as a staff in the office, that make you have to wake up early and go to the office in the morning, then however you must wake up early.
Yeah, and then sleep can.
It's if it's a normal life.
Iya sih. Aku dulu. Tadi itu pertanyaannya apa?
What habit would you stop?
Kalau if you just wake up late, just like that, nothing more, like yang lain.
Praying on time.
Ini kerjaan apa ya? Mei.
And back to my previous activity that I always recite Quran after praying. Always. Even zikir pagi petang. I always do that in my previous life.
Oh gitu. Every like setiap habis sholat praying and then reading apa?
But not all the prayers sih. The Maghrib and Isya maybe.
It's good lah. Itu kayak bagus.
Yeah.
I cannot do it.
Like apa?
I cannot do it
Hmm.
because lazy. My problem in life that always make me hard to process is laziness.
Maybe because maybe because I like singing. For me, recite the Al-Quran
Like singing itu.
Like the mm, the replace of singing,
Oh,
the replacing of singing for me.
I see. But
Because before I know about Islam more, or I become Islamic woman,
religious.
I always sing at no at night after working. For example, like because I have a class in the morning until in the evening. In the evening, I have to work until maybe at night. And after that, I go home and sometimes I want to refresh my mind
with
singing. That's it. That's when I wasn't be Islamic moment for I hijrah. And after
More
I
religious.
hijrah, more religious But after I hijrah, I become more religious. Like I like reciting Quran. I learned how to make the reciting Quran with a beautiful voice. I mean, like singing like that. I like it. So maybe I replace my habit
To positive way.
to positive way.
From bad habit to positive. Way. Bisa gitu ya? Di replace. So like when you read Quran is like you singing, so it have a tone.
Yes, you have a tone. Like I always read with you, or for example, even if there is a kajian, and the kajian always have tilawah like that. Sometimes I become the tilawah to bring the tilawah. Sometimes when I was unmarried, when I didn't get married, when I haven't married yet, I do the tilawah, but with the different tone, different rhyme, different
Rhyme.
rhyme or tone.
Dua-duanya.
Okay,
Maybe.
with the different. I learned that. For example, how do I learn that? I listen to Ustadz Hanan Ataki Murotal. I listen to some other Ustadz that I'm easy to
To understand.
not to understand,
To be.
to copy
Oh, to
the
copy.
tone.
Oh, like that.
Mhm.
I see.
And the most favorite is Ustadz Hanan Ataki Murotal. The most favorite. So I learned that. That's why. Because when I was young, when I was in senior high school, I also like to be in front of the people singing.
Oh,
in
like
English singing.
you have the comfortable. The namanya PD itu.
The confident.
The confident.
Yeah. I'm so confident to sing in front of my friends when I'm senior high school. It makes me proud. Like it's like my actualization. It makes me proud. It makes me happy because I can sing in front of them in English lagi. Jadi so it makes fun. And after I become religious, I also like to to be in front of the people also, but with reciting Quran.
Bisa gitu ya.
But
And
bisa.
it like the process, it was hard or no for you?
The process of what?
Yeah.
I enjoy the
change.
process. I enjoy the process. I enjoy the process. I didn't feel any hard. I just enjoy it because
Because you want it to
changing,
change.
changing positive, or if you have a reason where you have to change, then it will be so enjoyable. For me, I didn't feel any hard. I feel enjoy. I like it. I'm happy. If I like to do something, if I have to be in that process, then I will be happy.
Oh, itu.
Of
I
course,
see.
something like that we like singing, no matter the lyric is so difficult, for example. But if you like singing, then you will try and try and try until you can
Reach what you want. I mean,
Yeah.
like, gitu deh.
you can achieve that.
Achieve. But for me, I can do something hard or easy, but with the
One condition.
one condition.
Apa tuh?
I love that activity.
That's it. What kind of activity you love?
Example.
Mm-hmm.
I love. I have a friend, and then motivate me to making something. I mean, like making food or snack or like that lah, t-shirt or something. Something that I jarang tuh apa?
Rarely or seldom.
Rarely to do, but if something motivate me to do that, and then I love it, I like it, then I do it with enjoy, and happy and not feeling struggle.
Of course, that's what I feel.
Oh gitu ya?
Iya.
Bisa gitu tapi.
I feel I don't need to struggle, just again and again I enjoy it.
Oh bisa gitu ya?
So, the activity that you like is cooking.
No. Ini baru-baru ini aja.
Oh,
Gak lama. Sumpah.
ya, sabar.
Tersiksa.
Sabar.
Not cooking, but I want to try something new and more apa ya? More important. Like for everyone or
If it's
for my
about
friend.
if it's about sport, do you have any habit or activity that you like? If it's about sport.
Maybe workout, because I feel like workout is more effective than other. I mean, like yoga or just diet. It's more effective workout in gym. And I do gym too.
Really?
Mbak, kayaknya aku harus ke belakang. Di pause aja dulu. Banyak banget ya tisunya ya, aku mau cuci tangan.